Many of you will have seen my YouTube videos on Trachycarpus, growing Trachycarpus in the UK. Here at Big Plant Nursery in West Sussex, big fans of Trachycarpus. These are the plants that have been in our videos in the past. They're now, I can't remember exactly, but I think it's about 12 years these ones have been in. From little tiny ones right up to 2-3 metre tall plants. The interesting thing about this year, 2019, great year for Trachycarpus flowering. And as I'm sure you all know, if you've been watching my videos in the past, you get male and female palms. This Trachycarpus is a male one. And the reason I know that is because it's flowering right now, and these are the male flowers. They look quite similar to the female ones, but if you look closely, you can see the differences. Large, quite open, spreading, and really, for a palm, you think of them as not being ornamental flowering plants, but wow, this is packing quite a punch. The great thing about it is masses of pollen being produced here. There are honeybees all over it, which is wonderful. But the most important thing for identification is that it's quite a dark, sulphury yellow. The female flowers tend to be a paler yellow, and they're quite open in their structure. Huge great racemes, I suppose, or sprays of sulphur yellow flowers on this male Trachycarpus. Thank you.